Let's have a quick look at print layout. This will allow you to export your maps in a more professional way than simply taking a screenshot of the finished product. That way you can display all the beautiful things we've done on our map at a much higher quality. So the first thing to do is to navigate to the print icon on the left-hand side of the map. To open up the print menu. Oftentimes this menu will take some extra time to load up. From here you can give your map a title. For example, mine here is named Test. You can then choose what size you'd like your layout to be. I'm going to go ahead and choose A4 as this captures my map better. From here I can click on this arrow icon to go back to the print layout menu. Toggling Show Print Area lets you preview what will be displayed in your layout once you export it. Now you can choose what file format you'd like to save your map as. I personally recommend PDF as it's quite universally accepted. But if you're looking for an image format, then JPG is very reliable as well. Expanding advanced options by clicking on it gives you access to things such as being able to set your own scale if you knew what scale you wanted it to be at. Authors will allow you to specify who made the map. This is great if you're adding your map to a report, so people will know that you're producing an original figure. So in this case, I'm writing down Miss Eken to credit myself. You can also supply any copyright information. This will automatically source layers that you've added from Esri servers, from ArcGIS Online, or from the Living Atlas. But if you've added in your own data or imported some in, then it's considered good practice to provide citations of where that information has come from. DPI stands for dots per inch, which essentially lets you specify the resolution of the file that you're exporting. For something such as this, 300 is considered a good value to work with. Lastly, checking Include Legends or Include North Arrow will respectively display a key and a north arrow when you export this layout, which are both things that, as we all know, make a good map. When you're happy with all of that, you can click Export. This will move you to the export subsections within your print menu. This part usually takes some time, but give it a moment to load and you'll have access to your shiny new layout very soon. I've cut off my screen recording so you won't really be able to see, but when you click on this button, it will open the layout in a new tab, which is why my screen has gone black for a bit. When it loads up, you'll have to access your exported layout from within your browser, and you can check that everything is being displayed to your liking. So here I can see that my key is made available. I have a north arrow, a scale that isn't very sensible because I didn't set it myself, and here we have very short credits that are natively included by ArcGIS Online, as these are the layers I sourced from their online service. And because I've cited myself as the author, you can see my name has appeared on the bottom right of the screen there. Now you can download it, print, and do whatever you want with it.